a ladybug. Zucchini bread is on the way. Oh, do you have tickets to the garden tour? Come on. Is it okay if I use my harmonica? This was actually a gift from my grandmother, and it's a tiny harmonica on a gold chain, which actually works. So guys, first we have our peppers. There are no peppers on this one. We have 3 peppers on this one. These ones are our orange pepper. And here we can see that guy starting. Multicolored bush beans. Then back here are the Jacob's cattle beans. And over here we have our pumpkins. And all the pumpkins are going to grow this way, so then they have a lot of room. Over here. Now over here is our kale. And every day we have to check underneath the leaves for any eggs. Nothing. Now this is actually a good sign. There's nothing over here. These are little baby white flies. You need to squish them. And if you don't remember what they are, go back to 2025 when those white flies were all over. Over here are our 6 Brussels sprouts. This is our zucchini, and we could see we got one here, and some are starting like there, and there's one right there, and there's another one right there. Zucchini bread is on the way, and that's our eggplant. We only have one because they're not that famous in our family, so we only need one. And over here are our tomatoes. We're just gonna stake them up normal. Oh, and look at this. Surprise dill. Now I don't even remember planting dill at all in this bed. For the whole entire 2 years I've had this channel. Never put dill in here. And over here we have our beets. And over here we have our carrots. But we actually had to plant these twice because the first time my dad planted them, the carrots weren't popping up. All that popped up were just weeds. We used seed tape, but when we dug them up to see if we could even find anything, the tape wasn't even there. To our next bed. And this used to be where the multi-bed was. And I said I'll never do it again. I basically did it again. Well, when you think about it, aren't all of our beds multi-beds? Yeah, pretty much. So over here we have our onions. We have our giant dough. This whole bowl is just some cucumbers. This is Mr. Stripey tomato. And all these cukes are gonna be the ones around the poles are going to be going up. Just like that, they're gonna climb up. These are some extra potatoes. Because we had some extra. This is our crazy dough. Got 1 plant, 2 plant, 3 plant, 4 plant, 5 plant, 6. So this is just from the multi-bed, cause like right here somewhere in this area, we just had this giant dill. So I guess some of the seeds fell off, and that one we found like right here somewhere. Now these ones were just right there. We have 7 dill plants. Smell them. Well, for one thing, I think we have a lot more dill than we have tuna. This is our kohlrabi. Got some nice ball kohlrabi. These are our potatoes. Potato, boil them, smash them, stick them in the stew, if you know what I mean. So over here, these leaves are dark. That means that these are the red potatoes. And if we take this leaf and this leaf, now try to tell which one is the red potato. If I put them on like that. Correct, this is the red potato. Guys, there's a ladybug. He's on me. These are flowers, which is awesome. Because that means pretty soon these are going to die. And then we can have a great potato harvest again. Over here we have our multicolored carrots. We've got some big old beets. Over here is our lettuce, and you can see it is going to seed. And how you know that's going to seed is because it's getting tall. Here is our garlic. They're going to be coming out soon, and as you can see, we have wheat here, and we have some wheat down here too. There must have been seeds in the hay because we did not put any wheat in our garlic patch. We planted these other potatoes just in wood chip. And looks like we're going to be having some more potatoes, if you ask me. That was an experiment. We've never done that before. And here are the rest of our peas. You can see that we're just going to let them go to seed, so you have some more for the fall. And now over here, we have some tennis ball lettuce. And here we have some forel and slush. All go into seed. Right here we have some cauliflower. Over here we have some broccoli. And over here are our collard greens. And if you remember, the sassafras tree almost hit my collard greens. Yeah, but now it's probably all burnt in our giant fire pit. We had 2 fires in a row. Brothers, am I right? Sorry about him, he was just doing his job, re-racking. So that's all we have for today. Make sure to like and subscribe. And if you have any friends on like social media or like Facebook or whatever, make sure you share my videos. That could really help me out. And we're so close to 500 subscribers. Bye.